Understanding, be an old hand, mastering English phrases. Hello, and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, be an old hand. This phrase is commonly used, but what does it really mean? Let's explore together and make your English learning journey both fun and informative. Be an old hand is an idiom that means being very experienced or skilled in a particular area. It doesn't refer to age but rather to the level of expertise someone has gained over time. For example, if someone says, "She's an old hand at baking," it means she's very skilled at baking due to her extensive experience. This phrase has an interesting history. It originated from the nautical world, where an old hand was a seasoned sailor, someone who had spent a lot of time at sea and knew how to handle various situations. Over time, the phrase evolved to apply to any field, not just sailing. Let's look at some examples. John is an old hand at carpentry. He can build just about anything. I'm no old hand at gardening, so I might need some help. Notice how the phrase is used to highlight expertise or lack thereof in various activities. When using this phrase, avoid confusing it with simply being old in age. It's all about experience and skill, not the number of years a person has lived. Here are some synonyms and similar expressions. Seasoned pro, experienced, expert, veteran. These can be used interchangeably depending on the context. I hope this lesson on be an old hand adds to your growing English skills. Remember, learning a language is about understanding the nuances and the culture behind the words. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be an old hand at English. See you in the next video.